Thank you to our customers in the Democratic Republic of Congo for choosing to purchase our EA500C3 rental LED screen. This product not only showcases high efficiency and advanced technology, it also combines excellent design and durability, making it very suitable for the needs of various rental occasions. EA500C3 rental LED display screen adopts a quick locking design around it, making installation extremely easy and can be completed quickly without professional skills. This design not only improves installation efficiency, but also ensures the flatness and stability of the screen, allowing it to perform well in various activities and venues. In addition, the LED display screen also supports curved installation, which can adapt to the needs of different shapes and site layouts. Made of durable and aesthetically pleasing materials, it ensures high-quality appearance and performance even during long-term use. Whether it's indoor exhibitions, stage performances, or outdoor activities, EA500C3 can win customers' favor with its excellent visual effects and flexible installation characteristics.